Hi guys, my name is Khadija. Today I'm going to be showing you some turban styles you can add into your everyday style. I use these every day. Please like and subscribe if you like to see more contents like this. So first I'm gonna be doing it with this red one. So what you need to do is take the scarf like this. You're gonna put it over your head. Bring it forward. Like so. And then you're going to take this part. I'm gonna bring it to the back. Like this. And you want to make sure you have 2 even ends. You're gonna cross it over like this. I'm gonna take this part, bring it forward like so. And same thing for this one. Take this part and bring it forward like this. And then tuck the first part that you brought to the back under the second one. And you're gonna tuck this part up here. So you could do this without any pins and stuff. You're gonna make sure it's you can just play around it to get that perfect style that you're looking for. So I'm gonna show you how the back of this one look. And this is how the back look. Second one, what you have to do is you're gonna take a scarf like this. You take it like this. So you're gonna make this side shorter and this one longer. I'm gonna bring it to the back like so. The same thing as the first one, you're gonna cross it to the back. You're gonna take this part, I'm gonna bring it over like this. And I'm gonna tie it right here. So make sure you get that nice laid out front. And I just usually twist this a little bit. You just want to play around with the fabric until you get that desired look. And this is usually how I wear it if I'm wearing like a dress and I have like a cool neck shirt on. I'll show you that on the back. And the last one I'm going to show you guys is one I use a lot. It's very simple. What you do is you're going to take the hijab like this. You're going to do it like this. Make sure you fold it a little bit if you have a bigger hijab. You're going to take it. You're going to bring it to the front like this. And then I'm going to twist it like so. And I'm gonna bring both of these to the same side, right? And then after I do so, I'm gonna take this one and twist it towards this way. And I'm gonna take this part. Make sure the fabric is laid out nicely like this. And take this one, bring it like that. And I usually just to here. And if you have like some kind of tie here with scrunchie, I usually just leave it like this. And this is another style that I use a lot, especially in the summer and stuff. It's very easy to use, especially if it's hot outside. It's simple too. And if you like this video, please, and you want to see more different turban hijab that I use on my daily life, or just any style you are interested in or you want to see me try, please like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe, please.